So, to make up for not posting a video last week, we're gonna make a video where my sister Bridget is throwing sprinkles at my face. Go on.
Oh. What color sprinkles?
Any color you like. I got all of our sprinkles. See, there's, we got shapes. We got Halloween. We got
super
these
fancy ones.
We got these fancy pearl ones. There's peanut butter on it. I think our parents are gonna be mad that we wasted peanut butter. We got these sugar crystals, and then we got these colored ones.
You like to lick my hand?
Lick your own hand.
But it's creamy peanut butter.
Just lick it. God. I'm glad there was enough peanut butter because I didn't want to put on Nutella because I'm afraid like if Nutella looks like black things. Is that a legitimate fear?
Maybe.
It looks like it's closed already.
Close your eyes.
How much stayed?
A lot.
Oh my god.
That's my finger.
You're gonna have to help me clean up my room. Don't do that all over my bed. Just eat them. God.
Anywhere on your face.
Here, try these.
Was that a stick?
I don't think I've ever been this tasty.
I'm going to give you some cows.
I like cows. Bovines are my favorite.
I'm going to take this lid off. I decided I'm going to use that lid.
Ew. There's a hair.
I want some cows, not just some blues.
Cows.
I got some cows and some blues.
Oh my god. Come on,
You
come
look
on.
like a goatee now.
Pick these off my legs and the...
I think we're gonna have to vacuum your bed.
I think so too.
Let's see, who's that pink? We haven't done pink yet.
Oh my god. This is gonna be the worst because they're so tiny. Oh hey, you can just... You got peanut butter all over it, Plebo. It's not clean. You have to clean it when we're downstairs, okay?
Okay. Done yellow yet. You just shake it onto your face.
I don't think that worked. I think it all fell down.
Then cut them. Okay. What's that?
Oh my god.
We have stars and moons. Dolphins.
Are these bananas? Oh, stars and moons. I was just like, bananas! And she was like, no.
Let's use some dolphins. I tend to like dolphins.
Okay.
Ready?
You're constantly aiming for my chin.
No, I was aiming for your forehead.
You fail.
There, I got your forehead. How about stars?
it won't come out.
Dang, stars.
I think you have to keep poking it with a pencil.
Okay, enough of just stars. Let's try for some stars and moons.
Wait, give it for a second. I want to clean up this. No, we can do that afterwards.
Okay. It's like, no, there's too much. Okay, now we have some moons and some stars. Yep. Done. You have like an astronaut right there.
Okay, are we all done with
and
my
right
face?
here you have like black, purple, oh, green, purple.
Are we done with my face?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it for this week, guys.
Finished product.
Tune in next week.
Beautiful.